Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an affordable 3-bed semi-detached property. This is the Archford from David Wilson Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Manor Chase in Harrogate, which is not very far from York. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, there's a small hall, and right in the front you have the washroom, which I'll be sharing with you all later. Now stepping into the living room, which is coming towards the front. It's a decent living room. The space looks quite okay. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set, and there's a very wide window towards the front, so plenty of natural light falls in this living room. You also have some extra storage space here in the living room. They have provided a door and lock as well. Now before moving towards the kitchen and the dining, let me just share the washroom in the ground floor. So this is the washroom in the ground floor. The space looks okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's an exhaust. They haven't provided any window in this washroom. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining, which are coming at the back, and in the middle you also have the staircase which leads towards the first floor. So this is the kitchen and the dining space. It's a regular kitchen for the 3-bedroom properties these days. Wherever you go, you're finding similar models. The space looks okay. You have the worktop spread out on all 3 different sides, and the boiler comes in the kitchen here. There's a nice window towards one side, and you can plan your fridge freezer towards the opposite side here. And there are plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. They're also giving the gas hob. If you want to go for the electric, you can upgrade it to the electric. There's also French door access towards the garden behind, and you'll get a decent garden with fence around it. So this is all about the kitchen. Now moving towards the first floor. Again, on the first floor you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So this is the master bedroom of the house. Well, this is a double bedroom. I really like those 2 windows. Plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom, but again it looks a bit congested because of the wardrobe, I believe. If there was no wardrobe, then you'd get some extra space. Again, it's up to you. If you want to plan a wardrobe, you can still plan one like this here. And you're getting your ensuite towards the front here. So the space looks okay. In this bathroom you have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window, so the ventilation is good in the bathroom. And beside your master bedroom you're getting your family bathroom. There's a bathtub, water closet, sink, and you're getting a nice window. So the ventilation and lighting are good. And beside your family bathroom, you're getting some additional storage space with a door and lock. And just beside it, you have your second bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed, and there's decent space to walk around. I felt this room is more lively and much bigger than the master bedroom. Maybe because you don't have the ensuite. They took the complete space for the bedroom. They have actually planned a wardrobe even in this bedroom, but this has gone inside the wall, so that didn't occupy the extra room space. Overall, a decent bedroom. Compared to the other one, I really like this one. You're also getting a nice window in here, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. Now moving towards the third room of the house. This is a tiny room. It's totally up to you. If you want to plan a cot like this, you can plan a small cot and make it your kids' room. There's a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light falling in this room. You can also use it as your workspace if you want to. So we covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.